sweet plantains. This is a dish that we have at Field Trip, which is our sweet plantains.
Oh, people love. Yeah,
So
everybody loves. Yeah.
I didn't grow up on potatoes. I grew up on plantains. That was my thing in my household. So some beautiful plantains. You just drop it like shallow. I call it like shallow fry, right into the oil.
And they're cut on a bias, so it sits really nicely. That's a big one there. If you cut it on the bias, it just sits. You know what I mean? It's so much easier, right? It gets golden brown on each side, much easier if you cut it on
so much easier.
Right.
And then as they start to get golden brown, you just rotate them. Now, don't worry, you might get a little dark. That's all the sugar coming out.
We got it a little too hot. That's our bad, not his bad.
Don't worry. So nice and golden brown, and as you can see here, they're beautiful. Now, the plantains at Field Trip, we do some roasted peppers.
Nice.
That we put on top. Now,
charm up.
Now, that's not, my grandma didn't do that. She just cooked the plantains like this, threw them in the middle of the table, made them delicious. But we put them just like this. They come in a beautiful bowl, and we char them up, as you can see. But we have these beautiful peppers here. Go ahead, throw that on top.
All right, I'm doing it.
Throw them on top, right?
Oh.
Then we add a little bit of fresh parsley. And that's not it. I like spice.
Me too.
So why not some hot honey?
Is that hot honey?
Some hot honey right here.
Hot honey.
So that's beautiful.
I mean, shut the door.
Come on, that's beautiful. You know, when I was at home cooking a lot with my kids and my wife, and I have kids, I have twins, you know this.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
So they love chicken wings. Who doesn't love a chicken wing?
Who doesn't love a chicken wing?
So I think the biggest thing is for me, and I did this in the season of Just Eats this year, is a pineapple glazed chicken wing. Most people, when they're making chicken wings, they want to coat it with flour. You don't need to do that.
You don't. No,
just drop it right into the fryer.
Drop it and get it hot.
Get it hot into some popping oil, right? Don't overcrowd your fryer now, right? So I'm just going to put a couple pieces in here and just let that go. And you're going to let that go till it gets golden brown.
And there's so much fat in it, and you're dropping it in hot fat. It'll seal all the juice in, and it'll crisp the skin.
Super crispy.
Right.
And then for the sauce, it's super simple. So we have pineapple juice. My daughter loves pineapple juice, Taya. So some pineapple juice, some little bit of spice, some habanero.
Do they have different likes and dislikes? Because you just said my daughter, not my children.
No, yeah, very two different eaters.
Okay.
My son is a carnivore. My daughter's all into her fruit and some vegetables. So
she's a little sweeter. Because she's a little daddy's little girl.
So a little bit of honey in there. Little honey. You just mix this up, right? And then for me, I wanted to bring out two different types of salt here, which are smoked sea salts. One is a regular Malden smoked sea salt, and the other one is an apple smoked bacon smoked sea salt.
Oh, I'm taking that home. That's falling off the truck.
There we go. So you just let this...
This just fell off the truck.
No, come on. We need that, Rachel. We need that.
No, it's falling off the truck.
No. So you let this go. So while that simmers and your wings are going, right?
Can I crank that up
a little bit for you? Crank it up. We got our golden brown chicken wings. So everybody keeps saying chicken wings are so expensive, but indulge. Eat your chicken wings. I love chicken wings. You get this beautiful sauce. So at the end of the sauce, you got to add in your butter. So that's what the trick is to when you make
6 tablespoons
of butter
into that sugary, delicious, hot mess of delicious.
And that's what's going to allow the sauce to stick to the wings. Go ahead, pour it in for me, Rachel.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Look at that. Come on now.
Yeah, baby.
And make sure you have a good-sized bowl. Toss them up. Don't be scared if it splatters on you. That's what it's all about. Some cilantro.
Yeah. Yes.
Come on. And then you just lay these out. And who does it? Come on. These are good. They're going to be
lay
sweet.
You out. You're going to be in a food coma on the sofa with the plantains and the wings all just kind of
That's a great feeling. That's a great feeling. And then you just lay these beautiful chicken wings out right here. Look at that.
Oh, my God. They're gorgeous.
So you got the plantains with the hot honey.
You need another one there because,
Why you took it? Come on.
Over there.
Hold on. Let me add this over here.
Oh, no.
Come on, let me put them all there. Come on now.